Hello everyone. Do you want to repair your broken and shattered iPhone screen? Contact iTech Express for excellent repair services for the devices like iPhone and iPad. iTech Express Inc. is a full repair service repair shop located in Covina, California. The iPhone repair technician at first checks whether it's a software issue or hardware issue. The technicians will inform you about how much the repair cost may be, and they will also give you a time estimate for repairs. Reach out to them for prompt service and super reasonable prices. If you want more info, you can visit their site itechexpressing.com. You may even call them on 626-777-4747.